Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and today it's time for another tool review. And today we'll be reviewing the brand new Kobalt 1,000 foot-pound half-inch air impact wrench. I picked this up, actually dropped the other one that I've done another review of not too long ago, and when I went to swap it out, they didn't have it. So I had to pay a little extra, but I managed to swap it out, and they gave me the credit for that and let me upgrade to this. And now this is a new model number. This is the SGY AIR236. Then the specs here, I'm going to read it, and there's a picture of it. 7,000 RPM free speed, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. It needs 5 SCFM, and it uses 90 PSI. So that's it. There's nothing on the internet about it. This thing just came out. It reminds me of a C&P gun, I think, but I don't know who makes this. It just says made in China. Haven't been able to find any information on the internet, probably because it's so brand new. But let me go ahead and get the camera closer. We'll unbox it, or in this case, uncut it, unwrap it, and we'll see what's going on inside. All right, so here it is. I'm just going to take a knife here and cut around the wrapper, I guess. Obviously, has some theft protection going on here. We'll just cut away the corners of that. Hopefully we'll be able to open it up. Yeah, slide it out. There we go. Boy, that's got a good feel to it. This is certainly one heck of an upgrade from the other one. Now, I've got nothing against the other one, but this is pretty nice. You got 4 speeds, forward and reverse. That's a good looking impact wrench right there. 1,000 foot-pounds. That's pretty powerful. It's amazing what technology is coming along here. My old IR, I think, was rated for 5 or 550, and here we are with a Chinese air gun that's 1,000 foot-pounds. Probably brought out to compete against Harbor Freight's new line of earthquake impact wrenches. Oh, that's very nice. I'm going to put a air fitting on the bottom here, and we'll use it. Now, I just bought an air cat for use at work because it was time to retire the IR, and then about 2 or 3 days after I did that, I dropped the Kobalt gun that I had and cracked the case, which is not a big deal because you can take it back and swap it out for the first, I think, 5 years. Now, this one here has a 3-year warranty, but it is a limited warranty, and that means that it's kind of just manufacturing defects. So, in that sense, this is a huge step down from that 5-year Kobalt unlimited guarantee. But it does appear to be a much better built air gun. So hopefully we won't be trying out that warranty anytime soon. But I'll go ahead and put the air fitting on, put a little oil in it, and we'll use it to do some stuff. I'm rebuilding. All right. Well, I've got this front of my BX Kubota tractor I need to take off. So let's try this new thing out, shall we? Let's see here. Certainly hasn't had any problems taking the bolts out, so I'm going to give it an A+ for that. Yeah. Overall, I'm pleased. Well, I'll leave it at that. Again, it's Kobalt's new half-inch impact gun. They've replaced the old one with this one. When I went to swap my old one out because I had cracked the case, they gave me a store credit. I used it to purchase this. So I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the little review. And overall, I'd like to say that this is definitely an upgrade off of the older model that they were offering. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows it.